Some trucks barely clear $5,000 a month. Others quietly pull in 20, even 30,000. Same industry. Same roads. Sometimes the same truck. So what actually decides the number? Today, we break down real monthly truck income. No hype, just facts. Most people think one truck automatically makes huge money. They see screenshots on social media, big numbers, and assume that's profit. But here's the truth, those numbers are gross revenue, not what the owner actually keeps. Fuel, insurance, repairs, dispatch fees, all come out first. Many new drivers learn this the hard way. And if you don't understand the difference between revenue and profit, trucking can disappoint you very fast. Stay with me, because the numbers might surprise you. Let's talk real numbers. A low-performing truck might run limited miles, poor lanes, or bad dispatching. That truck may gross around $8,000 to $12,000 per month. An average truck, running smart lanes and steady freight, usually grosses $15,000 to $20,000 monthly. Now the high-performing truck, good dispatcher, strong lanes, minimal deadhead. That truck can gross $25,000 to $35,000 per month, sometimes more. Same truck model, different strategy. Miles per month, rate per mile, and dispatch quality decide everything. This is why two drivers can earn completely different amounts, even in the same market. But revenue alone doesn't tell the real story. Expenses do. This is where most money disappears. Fuel is usually the biggest expense, often 30 to 40% of revenue. Then comes insurance, which can range from $1,000 to $2,000 monthly. Maintenance and repairs are unpredictable but unavoidable. Some months are quiet, others hurt. Add truck payment or lease, dispatch fees, tolls, permits, and IFTA taxes. Altogether, monthly expenses can easily reach $10,000 to $18,000. Here's the key truth. A truck doesn't fail because of low revenue. It fails because expenses aren't controlled. Drivers who track costs survive. Drivers who ignore them quit. Now let's see what's actually left at the end of the month. After expenses, the picture becomes clear. A low-performing truck may net only $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Average trucks often take home $5,000 to $8,000. Well-managed trucks, with strong dispatching and low deadhead, can net $10,000 to $15,000 monthly. That's before personal taxes. This is why trucking is a business, not just a driving job. Two owner-operators can earn wildly different incomes, based purely on decisions. The truck doesn't make the money. The strategy does. And that brings us to the biggest income changers. Several factors decide how much one truck really makes. Owner-operators earn more, but carry more risk. Company drivers earn less, but with stability. Freight type matters. So does market timing. But the biggest factor, dispatch quality. Bad dispatch means dead miles and cheap loads. Good dispatch means consistent freight and better rates. The same truck, with a better dispatcher, can double its profit. This is why smart decisions matter more than long hours. So how much can one truck make per month? Anywhere from barely surviving to highly profitable. Trucking rewards planning, not guesses. If you treat your truck like a business, it can change your life. Comment, truck, if you want a breakdown for your situation.